Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zoho Books. First, you will need to sign up for a Zoho Books account. Once registered, select your organization type and input your essential company details, such as your business name, physical address, and preferred operating currency. Don't forget to configure your tax settings and specify the start date for your financial year to ensure accurate reporting from day one. Next, customize your chart of accounts to accurately reflect your business's financial structure. This is crucial for proper categorization of income and expenses. Then, add all your products or services as items, including their pricing and detailed descriptions. If your business deals with physical goods, remember to enable and configure inventory tracking to manage stock levels effectively. Now it's time to populate your contacts. You can easily import your existing customer and vendor lists or add them manually one by one. Once your contacts are in place, you're ready to create your first financial transactions, whether it's an invoice for a customer, an expense, or a bill from a vendor. For regular transactions, consider setting up recurring profiles to automate billing and payments, saving you valuable time. Finally, connect your bank accounts directly to Zoho Books for seamless, automatic transaction feeds. This significantly streamlines your bookkeeping process. Make it a habit to reconcile your bank statements regularly to ensure all transactions are accurately recorded and matched. Also, explore the powerful integrations available with other Zoho applications or various third-party services to enhance your overall business operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.